Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Sheikh Saab, my name is Faraz Ahmad, and I want to ask two questions. One is that when we don't know the actual essence of ayat which has been recited by the Imam, so what the action should be taken at that time? Because you know that we have a lot of time spent on the ayat for having the essence understand. So when we don't understand the ayat which is being recited by the Imam, so what should I do?
You see, you're going to the mosque
Yeah.
and you're trying to follow what the Imam is saying. So what I did in my life, I can educate you. The whole book, the whole Quran in Arabic, I don't know. The whole Quran is the Arabic, I don't know. In the Taraweeh, if I stand behind the Imam, every ayat is not in my mind and clear. Believe me. So whatever you know, you do your homework at your time. And if the Imam reads any ayat, you can find out from him where did you read. So go back home and look at the translation and then ponder over it. The whole book is not revealed, or its essence is not unveiled. So Allah says, "Fala uqsimu bima tubsirun wa ma la tubsirun." That Allah swears what you see and what your insight is and what your insight is not. Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Surely this is the saying of the messenger. So if you have developed some ayah's essence and you are standing, bowing and prostrating to the ayahs, so Allah knows you are doing an effort to understand the other ayahs. So I am bowing, prostrating to every ayat without understanding and understanding as well. But suppose you don't want to know anything. You don't want to, you want to remain like standing, bowing and prostrating if the Imam is reciting. So you must know that I should try to understand those ayahs, I recite those ayahs, and the Imam is reciting. You can go and ask him from where you recited. And then you can check up in the translation in your house. Next time he recites, then maybe a little bit of a meaning will come. Then the spirit, there are many ayahs, the spirit is not unclear to me also. But Allah knows that I am searching, working on it. Maybe Allah takes times to reveal many ayahs. So you can stand if you are in that process. But if for all your life you're not standing a word, then you are in danger zone.
Okay. So efforts must be there. Always.
And if you're going in a mosque, you must ask this. I'm not talking about Taraweeh. Taraweeh, you know from where you can ask him from where you recite and where you land. Go through that translation. Maybe some ayahs you know, some ayahs you don't know. But at least you know a little bit of it. So your focus is on the essence, or not even at least at the translation. Then there are ayahs to be unveiled, meaning clarence, the essence has come. But not the whole book is not unveiled to anybody. I am trying to educate those people who are not taking any interest in the essence of the message, who are not just reading by here, but just Arabic. So education is you develop this, then Allah knows your heart, you're trying, and there are many ayahs He will unveil to you by Himself. So it takes time. For that you can ask the Imam from what Taraweeh in our here, every day he says that I will read this from this to this. So most of people here who read the translation from here to here, so they know what they are hearing, and they also look at the ayahs, so they can recall what they have read in the translation. And in prayer also, if you are going to a mosque, you can ask the Imam after that. Next time you go, and you'll find, if you are regular going to any mosque regularly, there are only few ayahs that he keep on repeating. They don't recite the whole Quran. So Allah says in Ramadan, I want full. Recite the whole book now. Anybody else question? Okay?
With this, we would like to conclude our session for tonight. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.